Welcome and come on into the kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make 2-ingredient biscuits. If you want to make homemade biscuits for your family and just haven't mastered the old way, let me help you. This is a soft, tender biscuit that just begs to be on a breakfast platter or a hearty suppertime plate. Let's start out by greasing our skillet. I used butter flavored Crisco. You don't have to use a skillet, it's just what I like. Then get a bowl and add 2 cups of self-rising flour. I use White Lily. Then start adding your liquid. I'm using heavy whipping cream because it has a high fat content. And for 2 cups of flour, I used 1 1/2 cups of whipping cream. You just keep combining this until it all pulls together. Once it's together, dust your surface with flour and place your dough on it. I mostly just gather it together, fold it a couple of times, and pat it down. I roll it with the pen until I get the thickness I want. Then take a biscuit cutter or whatever you have and cut out your biscuits. This particular recipe made 9 biscuits. Place them in your greased skillet or baking pan. I pat the top of my biscuits with whipping cream. I just like the way it makes them look when they're baked. And put them in a preheated 450-degree oven. Now every oven is different, so be sure to keep an eye on them. I bake these for 20 minutes. The tops of mine are light golden brown, and that's the way we like them. Slather some butter on the tops and eat them warm. You can also turn your biscuits out on a plate to stop the bottoms from sweating. See the tiny brown dots on the tops? That's the whipping cream I patted on. But as you can see, these biscuits rise up tall and they are tender. They will melt in your mouth. Oh yes, very tender. They taste great and you can whip them up in just a few minutes. Give them a try and let me know what you think. I bet they'll impress your family. I will post the recipe in the description of this video. And until we meet again in the kitchen, keep cooking what you love. Thank you so much for watching.